One of the most significant environmental risks associated with GMOs is outcrossing. This phenomenon occurs when genes from genetically modified crops transfer to wild relatives or other non-GMO crops. Imagine a field of genetically engineered corn planted next to a field of conventional corn. Pollen from the GMO corn can easily travel by wind or insects, potentially fertilizing plants in the neighboring field. This unintended gene flow can have far-reaching consequences. For instance, if a GMO crop engineered for herbicide resistance crossbreeds with a wild relative, it could create a new breed of superweed resistant to herbicides. These resistant weeds can outcompete other plants, disrupt ecosystems, and make it more difficult for farmers to manage their fields. The potential for outcrossing highlights the difficulty of containing genetically modified organisms once they are released into the environment. Genes, once released, have a tendency to spread, and their movement cannot be easily controlled. This raises concerns about the long-term ecological impacts of GMOs and the potential for irreversible changes to our ecosystems. GMOs are often engineered to possess specific traits, such as resistance to pests or tolerance to herbicides. However, these modifications can have unintended consequences for non-target species, including beneficial insects, birds, and soil organisms. For example, Bt crops, genetically modified to produce their own insecticides, have been linked to the decline of monarch butterfly populations. The pollen from these crops can drift onto milkweed plants, the primary food source for monarch caterpillars. When the caterpillars ingest the pollen, it can be toxic, leading to their death. The widespread use of GMOs can disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems by harming beneficial insects that play crucial roles in pollination, pest control, and nutrient cycling. These unintended consequences underscore the need for comprehensive ecological risk assessments before GMOs are released into the environment.